Hello children, welcome to our channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher. Hello friends.
Today we are going to play Qua-Qua Quiz with Monami. Are you ready children?
Yes.
Are you ready Monami?
Yes miss.
Let's start. Before playing the game, let us understand the rules. With each questions, you will get 4 options. And you need to pick up the right answer. And with each right answer, you will get a star. Your questions will be based on this clip. So let us see the clip.
There was a boy named Ted. He had a little tree house in his garden. There he had a toy truck, a toy train, a teddy bear and lots of other toys. His favorite pastime was to play tambourine and tap his toes to the rhythm. Ta, 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 ta.
So your first question, are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Monami, can you tell me t, t, t is the sound of which letter? T, t, t is the sound of which letter? Your options are D, T, Q or K.
Is it T? Letter T?
Yes, absolutely right. And you got a star. Your next question, Monami. Which musical instrument was Ted playing? Which musical instrument was Ted playing? Your options are guitar, drum, tambourine or flute. Guitar, drum, tambourine or flute.
Tambourine? Tambourine?
Yes, you're absolutely right. Tambourine. Ted was playing tambourine. Correct. And you got a star. Let us hear the sound of tambourine. Question number 3. Which are the toys Ted had in his treehouse? Which are the toys Ted had in his treehouse? Your options are teddy bear and train, train and boat, bus and car, or teddy and bunny. May I repeat the options again? Teddy bear and train, train and boat, bus and car, teddy and bunny.
Miss. Teddy and train?
Yes, you're absolutely right. Teddy and train. Good. Now next question. Which animal is known as the national animal of India? Which animal is known as the national animal of India? Your options are elephant, tiger, lion or giraffe. Elephant, tiger, lion or giraffe.
Elephant?
No, Monami. The answer is tiger.
Tiger?
Yes, the answer is tiger. Some interesting facts about tiger. The Royal Bengal tiger was declared as the national animal of India in April 1973. Tigers are the largest members of the cat family and are renowned for their power and strength. Their beautiful orange and black striped coats help them to hide in its surrounding and makes it difficult to be spotted when hunting prey at night. Every tiger in the world is unique. No two tigers have the same pattern or stripes. A tiger's legs are so powerful that they can remain standing even when dead. Tigers like water. They are good swimmers. When several tigers are present at a kill, the males will often wait for females and cubs to eat first, unlike lions. Tigers have antiseptic saliva. They lick their wounds to disinfect them. Nagpur is known as the tiger capital of India. To conserve, that means to protect the tiger, the Indian government launched Project Tiger in 1973. Now, next question. Which flower's name begins with the letter T? Which flower's name begins with the letter T? Your options are sunflower, rose, tulip, or lotus. Sunflower, rose, tulip, or lotus?
T. T. Sunflower. Tulip. Tulip.
Yes, tulip. Correct. You're absolutely right. Okay, so now you have to see another clip. So we'll see another clip and then I will ask you few more questions.
One day, his mother alerted him about him not to play in the tree house.
Are you ready?
Yes, miss.
Okay. What does Ted's mother warn him about? Snakes, bees, tornado, or tiger? Snakes, bees, tornado, or tiger?
Tornado? Tornado?
Yes, right, tornado. And you get one more star. Do you know, children, a tornado is a tube of violently spinning air that touches the ground. Wind inside the tornado spins fast, but the actual circle of wind around them is huge. This makes tornadoes very dangerous. They cause a lot of damage to anything in their path. Next question. What does a clock tell us? What does a clock tell us? Time, song, food, or games? Time, song, food, or games?
Clock. Tick tock, merrily sings the clock.
Yes.
Time.
Right. Good. Excellent, Monami. Now, next question. Which of these games begins with the letter T? Which of these games begins with the letter T? Your options are badminton, cricket, football, or table tennis. Badminton, cricket, football, or table tennis?
Table tennis?
Yes, right. Now, this question is a riddle. You have to identify the person. I work at a school. I teach students. I help students learn new things. Can you tell me who am I? Am I a doctor, teacher, soldier, or pilot? Teacher! Right, very good. Okay, now this question is the last question and you have only two options, right? Is letter T a vowel or a consonant? Is letter T a vowel or a consonant? Letter T. Consonant? Consonant? Right, very good. Well done, Monami. Letter T is a consonant. So now let us see your star card. Let me see how many stars you have scored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So Monami, you have scored 9 stars. Very good. Well done.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, friends.
Let us see the answer of our previous episode. Penny the ant was not able to eat the apple because the apple was made of metal, clay, stone, or glass. The answer is clay. The apple was made of clay. Now this question is for you children. What was the song which teacher and Monami sang in the episode of Let's Learn with Monami, Sound of the Letter T? Your options are Tick Tock, Tick Tock, Hickory Dickory, Wee Willie Winkie, or Jack and Jill. You will get the answer in our next episode. Hope you have enjoyed playing Qua-Qua Quiz with Monami.
Friends, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.
See you in our next class. Till then, bye.
Bye, friends.